Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Fluffy, back with another video. You done know. You guys don't know, okay? If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification so you can get notified every time a girl uploads a new video. Guys, if you're new to my channel, you just subscribed, welcome to all this fluffiness. Your girl appreciates you. Guys, don't forget to share my videos. If you like my content, share them. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to come check me out, okay? Guys, don't forget to follow me on my social medias, Instagram and Snapchat. Everything will be in the description down below. Woo. Let's get into the video, okay? Let's come down here, so. Because I got my Rasta pasta, my chicken Rasta pasta for you guys. Woo. And I did some, I got some, what is this? Pineapple, mango, and I put some Coca-Cola drinks in there. So it's just a mix up by any of my tea. You know what I'm saying? Woo. I'm gonna try it with my chopstick. Let me get a thumbnail real quick. Hold on. Let me see, get this thumbnail just right. Alright, that looks good enough. Spice is life. Ooh. Guys, I'm trying to practice on my chopsticks, so don't come for me. Yeah, this Rasta pasta turned out amazing. Oh, I'm gonna leave the link down below on how I made it, so y'all could go recreate it. Thanks to How to Cook channel and Jody Cooking for doing this collab. Well, not this collab, the last collab. The last one we did. Everybody trying to grow. Let's grow together, okay? Yo, I might have to go get a fork because I be slipping. This thing tripping. Make sure y'all use boneless thighs. It doesn't dry out as easily as the chicken breast, you know? What time is it? It's about 2 o'clock. I'm like, ooh, I gotta go eat. I haven't ate anything all day. Even though I use a mild jerk sauce, this thing still a little spicy. Ooh. Ooh. Yo, oh, I didn't give y'all a bite. How selfish of me. Here you go. This is how you know I was hungry. I didn't give y'all a bite. I didn't give y'all a close-up. Nothing. Woo. But my high school friend, she went back to Jamaica. I guess she's down there currently. And she posted a video on Instagram of her taking a shower in the river. Obviously, we clothes on. I was like, you know what? Good old days. It goes like a be in the cold water. Good times. Alright, if the water too cold, or if the water's too cold, boil some hot water and put it on it. Pour it on one bucket. And I say take a shower. Woo! My belly is full. Ooh. Ja, no. Fast, they're heavy. But y'all, it's really quick, simple, and easy to make. I just got bell peppers, onion, chicken, Alfredo sauce, pasta, and some good up seasoning. Alright guys, that's it. I can't eat no more. If you're new to all this fluffiness, don't forget to watch all my old videos as well, so you can catch up. I got this cup from Gaines Street Pizza. Woo! That was some good pasta, okay? Pasta the turn up. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll catch y'all on the next video. If y'all see that pineapple over there, so I'm about to cut it right now. We'll cut it up, okay? Because I'm in need of some pineapple right now. I'm going to eat some pineapple later. Alright, bye.